halo, just to get this all ready for gluing when we're ready. So I am just measuring this around the circumference of my bow, making sure I've got even lengths on my pipe cleaners. And right where I've crisscrossed it, I'm going to hold it, but I'm going to gobble up just a little bit. Like, I don't want it perfectly around her head, but that's about the best way you can get it. And then twist the bottoms down, because this is how we're going to attach it to our angel. My angel's halos float. They do not sit on the ball. They float on the back so that it appears as though they are floating, but they are not. So, and everything that we're doing, all the build-on pieces, we're going to be doing to hide the mechanics of how we put it all together. So it's kind of interesting that way. So what we're going to be doing when we glue it is always try to give it a little bit of a curve so that it can start to curve around the ball a bit. And then just kind of indent your finger right there, because it's going to be glued to the back and then right down the back of our angel. So by the time it's done, it kind of looks like the Spaceship Enterprise. So it's got a little curve here so that when we go to glue it on, it's around her head, so that way it sticks. And then this will go down the back side that you will not see. So, hey.